Hello, my friends. Well, moving on with my experimentation with these new to me paints, Liquitex Basics Fluid Paints, I'm going to try using them with a bit of silicone. And I'm going to be doing a flip cup. I've mixed the silicone in, well, just one drop in, let's see, how much is that? That's about 1.5 ounces of paint. I'm using medium magenta, light blue, permanent, Dioxazine Purple, or do they call it violet? Yeah, they call it purple, and brilliant purple, and white. Now, I'm using a glue and Liquitex Pouring Medium. That's what I like to use when I use silicone. It gives me nicely shaped cells. And I bought white. I don't know why I didn't buy the white in the fluid paints, because I have this instead, and I had to mix it. I mixed it with the same medium, but I had to mix it differently than these because it's a different viscosity. So this was, let's see, 2 parts of my pouring medium, which I will again detail down below, and 1/2 part of paint. So a little goes a long way. I mean, look how wonderfully vivid these colors are with very little paint. The white, I had to mix 2 to 1 and then add quite a bit of water because this white is thicker, of course, than the fluid paints. So had I bought the white in the fluid, it would have been much easier, but I didn't. So gotta work with what you have. So let's prepare a flip cup. Try it out on this 12 by 12 inch canvas. Let's see what we get. I did not add any silicone to the white. And it looks like I made that thinner, but oh well. I haven't done a flip cup with silicone in a very long time. I had to look up my recipe. It's a simple recipe, but it gives me good results. It has given me good results in the past, so I sure expect and hope it will do the same here. I think I've mentioned this before, but if you're new to my channel, I think silicone gets a bad rap, but I really like the shape of the cells you get with silicone. Hopefully we'll see some here. I'm not much into resin, but I understand that if you resin, it can be a pain to use the silicone. I'm going to pour this on here just to use it up. I don't normally put a base coat down when I'm doing fluid art, but it's hardly enough to hang on to. All right, let's just get this done. I see some cute little cells already. think I'm going to torch it now to pop some of these air bubbles and bring up some of the cells. Oh, wow. Very reactive. Let me bring that up and show you up close how cute those are and nicely shaped. Now let's make them grow by tilting them around. That's how you get larger cells, by the tilting. It's not how much or how little you stir in your silicone. If you don't stir in your silicone well, you're going to get big globby areas of oil, and you're not going to get these nicely shaped cells. And the other thing with silicone or flip cup, when you're trying to get this look, you have to have enough paint. You have to mix up probably more than I did. Because if you have to tilt too much, they're going to get wonky and out of shape. So it's better to you use more paint and paint mix with a flip cup. See, I'm already having to stretch out those cells a little much, and I haven't even finished yet, so that's on me. But I hadn't mixed up a lot of medium, so I couldn't mix up too much paint. Oh my gosh, it's pretty though. Really pretty. So with these paints so far, I've done a cloud pour and a Dutch pour. And now flip cup. And I'm liking them. I'm liking the paints a lot. One more corner. Okay. Well, I think it's safe to say that these paints will work with silicone, and it's very reactive. Again, I didn't really have enough paint in the cup. I should have had more for this size canvas. I wouldn't have had to tilt so much, although these shapes are kind of fun anyway. I would have liked a little more of the dark purple in there, but let me bring in. I do have a little negative space, which is nice. Yeah. So if you're into cells, this is a good recipe, and these paints work well. Well, there you have it, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Just a quick little PS. I hit the painting with the torch after filming, and I just want to show you the darling little cells that popped up, especially in the negative space here. I think they're so cute. They're just darling. They're like little bits of candy sprinkled throughout the painting. So yeah, I'm happy with these paints, and I look forward to experimenting some more with them. Thank you again, my friends. See you later. Just a quick little PS. I hit the painting with the torch after filming, and I just want to show you the darling little cells that popped up, especially in the negative space here. I think they're so cute. They're just darling. They're like little bits of candy sprinkled throughout the painting. So yeah, I'm happy with these paints, and I look forward to experimenting some more with them. Thank you again, my friends. See you later.